let's explore the world of phlebotomy, where every drop of blood blesses us with the gift of life and hope. Phlebotomists ease the pain of both doctors and patients by ensuring efficient blood collection, effective laboratory diagnosis, and minimized pain. They are the heroes of healthcare who gather data behind the scenes to safeguard a patient's health. This online phlebotomy training program, offered by Inspire London College, consists of 2 phases. In the first phase, we'll focus on building a strong foundation for you with useful knowledge and basic hands-on experience. In Phase 2, you'll receive more advanced practical sessions, including live blood sessions. As a bonus, you'll gain access to a complimentary health and safety at work course. Unlike many online trainings, we offer face-to-face training as we prefer personal interaction and hands-on learning. This training course was designed by experienced healthcare professionals, which is why it has such high pass rates. On top of that, you'll receive a professional edge in the industry since this course is accredited by Continuing Professional Development, CPD. We offer a range of affordable options so that no one is left out of this golden opportunity. Have any questions? Dial our number now and speak directly with our friendly team. Don't wait. Take the next step towards a rewarding career today.